This is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, or make sure that they are enabled. Then launch the quick access panel or control panel, find the tile that says nearby share, then touch and hold that its icon. Over here, switch on this toggle to enable it, and now you will be able to rename the device if you want to. So then you can control and manage your device visibility. And you can also change the data or network that will be used for the data type or network type that will be used for the file transfer. Now, once everything is set up, let's test this feature out. So I will take a screenshot on my other phone that I have and try and sending it through the nearby share. So as you can see, the picture or the screenshot was successfully sent and received, thus transferred. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.